Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here. Today I'm going to show you why I can never get a YouTube play button. So first of all, what is a YouTube play button? It's this little plaque here. It looks like this, and basically you can like hang it on the wall behind you. Here's the milestones. You can get a silver one for 100k subs, gold for 1 million, diamond for 10 million, red diamond for 100 million. So you guys can see I have 108,000 subscribers. I have 47 million views on my channel. I've been uploading over 5 years. I have videos with millions of views, but YouTube does not want to give me a play button. So here's some of the requirements. Your channel is active, has uploads within the last 6 months. You haven't received guidelines, strikes within 365 days. You're in compliance with YouTube terms of service. You haven't been suspended. Your channel isn't terminated. You don't have content that is deceptive, spammy, or a scam. Your main content is original. You can see I did this little survey to see if I'm eligible. It says not currently eligible. So basically here's the rundown. I made some Cash App videos where I review other people's Cash App scams on YouTube, and I say why it's a scam and why people shouldn't participate in that stuff. You can see some of these get strikes. And I basically just use the same title that the other person did in their video. So this one got a strike. I've gotten strikes on probably like 20 of these. They always overturn them. They review them, then they're like, oh, it's not anything bad, so they just overturn it. But this one, I submitted an appeal June 13th. It's now June 29th, so like 2 weeks ago, and they haven't even reviewed this one, so I don't know what they're doing there. But the main reason why I can't get a YouTube play button is this right here. I had one that was a warning. Then I basically went into my content and deleted that video. So that video is gone, it's unrecoverable, it's unreviewable now. So I basically have this warning slot just filled up, used up forever. And I've contacted YouTube about this. There's no way for them to recover it. There's no way for them to reverse this warning or just remove the warning. So even though I make pretty safe videos, mostly like educational or experimental videos, how-tos, tutorials, stuff like that, I'm just screwed. They can't do anything, they won't do anything about it, and I forever have this warning slot taken up, and I can never receive a YouTube play button. So kind of unfortunate. I don't care about it that much, just because I understand YouTube and the algorithm and the support, and like, I don't know, just the whole system is weird. So it's not that big of a deal to me. It's more of a bigger deal that there's a warning slot taken up here, and every time I get one of these like strikes that's basically just me reviewing another YouTube video, I can't upload for a week because my warning slot is forever screwed. So yeah, there it is. That's what's up. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.